Hello and welcome to NORAD4U.com.
Hello, my name is Amir Bornstein from NORAD4U.com and 4HSbyHS.com. Today we're going to unbox S240 RF protection, RF blocking fabric that is used for protection. Every time we get a new roll, I cut it open and I cut the first meter and retest it for RF blocking effect with my demo testing system, which I built. And also do several laundry cycles in order to make sure that the fabric is according to my specification and that it is blocking RF as much as I want it to, and also can hold laundry cycles, which most of the RF blocking fabric cannot hold laundry cycles. Let's open it up and cut off the first meter.
This is my testing environment. I've built it myself. The meter is Cornet ED85 with external connection to external antenna. I have another Cornet meter outside the boxes in order to see that I don't have any RF leaks from the box. I have a PC with external monitor and a generator, RF generator. This is the RF generator. Sometimes I use also an amplifier, but not this time. I'm removing it. This generator can output RF radiation up to 6 GHz. The RF meter can measure up to 8 GHz. The cages are actually two cages, blue cage, this one, and a red cage. Both of them have the same antenna, two directional antennas pointing one to the other. And on the red cage, I can put the RF blocking material if I want to test it and when I want to test it. So I test it once without RF material, without fabric, second time with the fabric, and the third time with the fabric in 90 degrees. And I can calculate the attenuation that the fabric breaks in every frequency that I tested. I use my laptop to record all the measurement in Excel tables and also to operate the generator. I update the outcomes for every frequency in the test report, in the tables, and then produce the report. The report has all the information of the test, including the attenuation over frequency. Those are the graphs of the attenuation over frequency. You can buy this fabric on our store site, www.4HSbyHS.com.
Minimize the use of smartphones and wireless devices before the use will minimize you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching and see you next time.